Hey guys, great job on week one overall. Everyone crushed it. So here I just want to give you the directions for week two. So again, right down here is week two. So as you click here, it gives you your directions. So first one, use the reading guide and complete the quiz questions below. So part one. So just like we've had before, you can click download and then open. And you have a reading guide. Hey, you don't have to do the questions on the margins like we normally do. Just read about the resources. So it's going to talk to you about natural resources. Really, this week is all about renewable resources versus non-renewable resources, and then just all kinds of details for that there. So make sure to look at those. After you've done that, and maybe if you have a computer, open it up on one tab, and then you can use this to answer the questions. Again, you'll have 3 attempts, it said there. And again, only 5 questions, so just make sure you answer all the questions. On these, select all. So if you notice this can be multiple questions. It could possibly be all of those could be fossil fuels. So that's what you'll need to see. Then here, what are some other things you learned while reading the reading guide? You will be required to have something there. Even if you didn't learn it, what stuck out, what was something different maybe, what wasn't asked. So that's that piece. Right, let me go back. After that, we haven't done one of these before, but there is a video here. Hopefully it'll pull up. And this video has a quiz questions embedded into that, so I'll come back to that one. At the very end, I need you to create a flip grid. So we would like to see you guys and hear you talk again. You know, I've talked about communication all year long is so important, so you can make sure you communicate. If you use your phone, make sure you sign in. I believe you need to use your school email. That's the flip code if you use it on the app. If you use it on the computer, right, you should just be able to log in right here, and what you're going to do, using the last page of your reading guide, record a video explaining the advantages and disadvantages of these types of energy sources. So again, if I downloaded this again, you can go down here, and essentially you're just going to talk about in your video, just again, like you see my face, say, hey, the first advantage of fossil fuels is that they are expensive. Now, I'm not saying they're expensive, right? But that's something you can do. Disadvantages of fossil fuels is they'll run out eventually. So those are some things that you could do. Some of these, try and research. See what you can find out about these. Maybe ask your parents in the fossil fuels. I know there's probably some huge advantages as your parents work in this industry, oil and gas. There are huge benefits that we have for fossil fuels. Also, I didn't go over everything with all of these, so feel free to research that some more and find out what you have. Again, good luck on this week's assignment. Whoops, I went too fast. So here's part 2. Once you click on this video, you'll be able to watch for a little while. Or you're spinning a magnet near or inside the quilt. But it's all about the movement of a magnet. And at certain points in the video, questions will come up. And you just need to answer those questions. So right here, as you watch through that video, this question pops up. All you have to do is pick an answer, and you can re-watch it, so you can go back and start, or you can continue on and it will just go on until you find the next question. I think there's only 5 or 6 questions. Just make sure, try and watch that video. Right. Good luck on this week's assignment. Miss you guys.